Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a fascinating topic that affects us all: money. Have you ever wondered what gives money its value? Why a piece of paper or a digital number holds such power in our society? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we'll break down the key factors that contribute to the value of money. Let's dive right in. Historical context. To understand money's value, we need to start with its history. Throughout time, societies have used various forms of currency, from bartering to precious metals like gold and silver. These metals were valued for their rarity, durability, and usefulness. Over time, as economies grew more complex, the need for a more convenient and standardized medium of exchange became evident. Fiat currency. This brings us to fiat currency, which is what most countries use today. Fiat money isn't backed by a physical commodity like gold. Instead, its value is based on the trust and confidence of the people who use it. Central banks and governments regulate and issue fiat currency, maintaining its value through various mechanisms. Factors affecting value. So, what factors contribute to the value of money? Let's break it down. Scarcity. Scarcity plays a big role. Just like gold and silver, the total amount of fiat currency in circulation is limited. This scarcity helps maintain its value. Demand and supply. The value of money is influenced by the basic principles of supply and demand. If the supply of money grows too rapidly, it can lead to inflation, reducing its purchasing power. On the other hand, if demand for money drops, it can lead to deflation. Trust and confidence. Trust and confidence are paramount. People use money because they believe others will accept it in exchange for goods and services. If this trust is lost due to economic instability or political turmoil, the value of money can plummet. Economic stability. Economic stability also factors in. When an economy is strong and growing, people have faith in their money. Stable economies tend to have more predictable prices, which in turn maintains the value of money. Government backing and regulation. Government backing and regulation play a role, too. Governments and central banks implement policies to manage the economy and control inflation. These institutions also ensure the security and integrity of the currency, enhancing its value. So, to sum it up, the value of money is a complex interplay of historical context, scarcity, demand and supply, trust and confidence, economic stability, and government regulation. The next time you reach into your wallet or check your bank account, remember that the value of that money goes far beyond its physical form. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to hit that like button if you found this video insightful. Don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious.